and welcome back to my channel. Today we are on Flossmas day 10. I firstly want to apologise. I'm a huge mess, the room is a huge mess, and I missed yesterday's Flossmas. I missed day 9. Work has been really hectic. We've been getting ready for this move, which is tomorrow. I know you guys are probably sick of me mentioning it, but that is a big part of what my life is at the moment. And yesterday I spent pretty much all day helping the students pack their stuff into boxes. Now we're literally moving from one building over to the next building, but the amount of work that goes into that is just insane. And it is going to be, we move 3/4 of the school tomorrow, and then we move the rest on Tuesday. We've got Christmas dinner on Tuesday, then we've got other Christmas events going on. So it's not just planning for the move, it's planning for the Christmas events, it's planning for student departures, it's getting everybody sorted, everybody ready to go home. And this week is just going to be a little bit of a write-off in terms of what I can get done. And that's how life is. And this Flossmas series really does show it. I had someone comment going, you get so much stitching done the rest of the year, and at Christmas you really have no time. And that is 100% true. And she wasn't making it as a nasty comment. It was just in your floss tubes you show so much stitching, and where do you get the time to stitch? Because obviously Flossmas is showing each and every day, and that is really the case. It is, I will get a period of time to stitch, and Christmas is just not one of those. So I do apologise. I have absolutely no stitching to show you because I didn't open my advents yesterday, so I didn't stitch my advent. I think I've already shown you day 8. The advent that I'm talking about is, if you're new, the Steady Thread advent calendar. So I did stitch day 8. Day 8 did get done. But I have day 9 and day 10 to open. So let's just start with those. So I'm stitching mine with the Joddery Designs. So this is day 9. And day 9, oh, that's a bit of an interesting one. It is from the tie-dye collection, and it's called Sleigh Bells at Night. And this has literally got all the colours. It's got a blue, pink, a yellow. Where the pink and the yellow mix, it's gone into a little bit of an orangey colour. So that's really fun. So I've got one to stitch with that. And I have to say, I will have so much thread left over because these are literally taking, I'm using a single strand, and some of them are literally taking one strand. So like you cut a length of 6, you pull it apart, that's one strand. And some of them are only taking that, some of them are taking 2 strands, but that is really it. So I have the whole skein left to do another project with. While we're doing it, we're just going to mix up the advents. Let's open day 10 because that is today's one. And this is what I'll be stitching with today. Oh, this colour is gorgeous. Might have to do another sampler going this. This is an exclusive antique line, and it's called Icy Lake even. And it's this gorgeous grey, blue and a light mint. Absolutely gorgeous. It's probably been washed out very much on this camera. I had to pack all of my lighting and everything because that stuff is quite big and it was taking up space that I needed for packing boxes. So that's all been packed. Let's just keep going with the advents because I don't really have much to show. So KLT Designs, I think it is, or charting. Day 9. And day 9 is another yellow. Cool, we've had 3 yellows in this now. Sorry, I'm looking over to where my threads are. Yeah, we've had 3. So we've got Angel's Halo, and this is a limited edition. And it is this gorgeous, let me grab a bag. It's a gorgeous yellow, like sunshine bright yellow to pale yellow. So the other one we had was like a pale yellow sunshine colour. This is like very bright and quite dark compared to the other one. So that is day 9 for that one, and day 10. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is called Blood Moon, and this has got a burgundy, reddy pink, purple, a little bit of grey, and then a lighter pink in there. That is absolutely stunning. That is one of those colours that I wouldn't necessarily, if I saw it on the website, I wouldn't necessarily gravitate to. But now I've got it in person, that is just absolutely stunning. So, day 9 and 10. So, I'm not really sure what I have to tell you guys. Frozen was pretty fun, actually. I really did quite enjoy Frozen. I did hide the speaker. Then the students found the speaker and it turned into a music party in the back of the coach, which was great fun. It kept them occupied for the 2 hours that we travelled there. The performance was, I have to say, it was quite good. I didn't mind the performance at all. I really quite enjoyed it. The students seemed to enjoy it. They didn't seem to moan as much as when we take them to other performances. They sat there, they listened to it. Really, really good. I really enjoyed it. It was quite a fun day. I had a lovely time. Last night we made ornaments. So we have a retirement home coming in on Wednesday. They're bringing some of their members, people that live there. Some of the people that live in the retirement home are coming to visit the students and they're doing an activity. So we made them some ornaments. We did some macrame angels, so I'll put a picture up here because I don't actually have one in here. It's in the office. I've wrapped them all up ready to be gifted. So I did take a picture. I will leave the picture up here of those. Had a lot of fun. The students made a lot of ornaments as well to take home to parents and things. They made their mums some angels, which was really nice. Yeah, and that was basically it. I've been running around sorting out rooms, tidying up rooms, doing everything all together. So busy, 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 but enjoying it. Right, let's jump in. Day 9 of my Facebook one. So this is my last advent. I've got day 9 and 10. And day 9 is, we have a Twix bar and a little easel with a little canvas on. That could be really cute. You could finish something on there and have it on display. So that was day 9. And then last but not least, we've got day 10. Oh, and day 10, we have some DMC skeins. We have 910, it's a really bright green. That's lovely. 726, a yellow. 666, a red. And 796, the blue. So we have the primary colours and the green of the DMC shades. Absolutely loving that. So, that's pretty much everything. Today's going to be a quick one. I'm not sure what's going to happen over the next couple of days. I've got to move tomorrow, so I'm hoping to get a video up, but my job has got to take priority and we are moving tomorrow. On Tuesday is moving day for my older students, plus Christmas dinner, so I'm looking forward to that. I did actually, I've left it in the office, I've dug out my Christmas headband with my little ears and everything, so I'll be bringing that to the Christmas party. I'll be wearing that. I need to find where my Christmas jumper is, so I haven't packed my wardrobe. That's the last thing I've got to pack, and just the stuff on my desk, so I've got to do that. But I still haven't found my Christmas jumper, so the Christmas jumper is hiding somewhere. I just need to work out where it is. But then afterwards I will be good to go, ready to party away. So I think I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to try and catch up my advent calendar now. That's going to be my stitching process. I'm going to edit this, and by edit, all I'm going to do is insert the photo of the ornaments. That's about as much time as I have for editing today. And I am going to head off. So thank you so much for watching. I do apologise for missing yesterday's Flossmas. It's just a busy time of year for everyone, and sometimes we just need to take priorities of what is the most important. And as much as I love Flossmas, I just wasn't in a place where I could do it. Work was so busy, and at 11 p.m. at night when I finished last night, I just wanted to go to bed. And today I have not even bothered to put on makeup because all I'm doing is moving boxes around, so no need to do that one. Right, I'm going to head off because I am just muttering away. I am going to, as I said, get this video uploaded, edited and ready to go, and then I will see you all tomorrow, hopefully, with another Flossmas. And I may even be in another room. We'll see how far I get. Alright then guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow. Happy stitching! Bye guys!